Hello my friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to give a little reaction to Luxembourg's Eurovision National Final Performance for 2026. The song is called Mother Nature and the act or the artist or the lady performing it is called Marija. The song's on over 1 million views in the past 3 months, so I'm expecting big things. And if you could be so kind, please subscribe down below. And also follow this little Instagram account right here. That'd really help me out. And I'd love you forever. So now, without any further ado, yeah, let's give this a little gander. Okay, what have we got? What have we got? Okay. 6 staging. Oh, I'm loving this already.
When all was fun and games wasn't hard.
Yeah.
All good things can end.
If you're not new to my videos, you know I love this kind of staging.
I planted a seed under the moonlight. And even when there's
Very nice voice as well.
go back when I wonder, who am I?
Who is she?
From the ground to my skin as I'm howling at the wind.
Oh, that's so sick.
And I lean my head back, let it out, let it in, letting go of all my sins.
What a performer she is as well.
And I lean my head back, Mother Nature, she knows.
Ooh, beautiful song.
She knows. I know that Mother Nature, she knows. Mother
I
Nature.
feel like I've heard this before, but I think it just sounds like another song that I know. That's so awesome. I don't know if this is going to get the respect it deserves at Eurovision. I don't think it will, but I love it. I think this is great.
Even when there's thunder, oh, I don't have to wonder, who am I?
Oh, the build up. Let's go, Luxembourg. What a strong act you guys have sent. Tell you what, she's strong on the eye contact, and now she's just whipped out a violin. Where did that even come from? Where did that violin come from? That is mad. Where did that come from? She's dressed like a Jedi. Oh, what's this? What is that? What was that in her hand? Bloody hell, Luxembourg. Yeah. Hey, respect. That's such a sick song. I love that. Like I said, I just don't think it's going to get the respect it deserves at Eurovision. Tell you what, I'm going to give it the respect it deserves because that is one hell of a song. One hell of a performance. The backing track, incredible. Her voice was incredible. Her as a performer, incredible. And the staging, incredible. Just everything, clean sweep. Yeah, that's all I've got to say on that. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this. I really appreciate it. Please, yeah, as I mentioned, subscribe down below. Like this video. Follow my Instagram account. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.